Hola, my fruities. I got a parcel. I'm so excited. I know what it is. I know what it is. I'm gonna open it. I'm very excited. I can't even explain. Woo! Okay, I need to calm down because I've got scissors in my hands. And excited Tootie and scissors are not a good combination. Yeah. It's open! I got a hat. Whee! From Shaded the Label. I just seen it. I got a little free gift in there as well. Oh my gosh. Okay. Get ready, get ready. My little heart is fluttering. Oh my gosh. Wait, wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Let me just show you close up. Look at that. Look at the ribbon. Oh my gosh. So look at the chain. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wait, my little heart can't handle this excitement. And there's pearls. You know I love pearls. There's pearls. Just look at the little details. Look at this little charm, and then this little pin. The ribbon. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, wait. Let's get some of this hair back to show this in its glory. Well, pardon me, Mrs. Jane. Oh my goodness. Wait. Yes. It's too good. I'm so excited. I could actually wet my pants. It's so nice. So let me tell you, this is by a brand called Shaded the Label. They also are responsible for this beauty. It is a female-owned independent business. She makes the most wonderful hats and she's just opened her own store. I will link her details in the caption below. This is the last one that she had of this, but I believe that she's getting more in. I hope for your sake that she is. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's take the tag off. Do you know what? I just need to put something else on. Just gonna give myself a zhuzh to match this magnificentness of a hat. I'll do a really quick zhuzh.
Double denim this bad boy.
These will do. Oh yes. Oh, Chihuahua. She pretty. Oh my gosh, I knew I was gonna really love it, but wow, I love it. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got free gifts. Hold on. An additional little tag, so sweet and detailed, to go onto the hat. Okay, and I need to calm down. Calm down, Tootie. And oh wow, I got these beautiful little pearl earrings. Wow, I am these are gorgeous. I love pearls, and I even love so much more that they are like these natural pearls, not the smooth ones. Okay, should we put them on? Let's just have a quick try. So not only does she make these amazing hats, but we now have this amazing jewelry to go with it too. So cute. So friggin' cute. Yes. Oh, pearls and golden pearls. I love this. And then obviously I would do my little trick and clamp this down, but wowza. Thank you so much, Shaded the Label. I am in absolute heaven. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. I will leave her details below for you to go and check out all her amazing hats that she makes. And I am super excited to style this loads of different ways now. Thanks for watching. Bye.